Just a little tweak is all it needed. You can drop that. All right, you just saw us cut down just a short section of this wall. And the reason for that, move out here where you can see, when we moved over our bathroom door to the outside instead of centering up in the room and in the whole span of things, that make things, it's not symmetrical anymore. So if we kept our same distance between the doors, it was going to push that door a couple of feet the other way. It's just going to look weird. So you can see we have more usable space here since we moved the bathroom door towards the corner or towards the side of the wall. So we slid the little short wall we just made with the door in it. We slid it down. It's a little closer. It's closer to being centered in the room. It just puts the one bedroom door and one bathroom door closer to each other. No big deal. But that's why we did that. Now we're going to go ahead and stand it up, nail it off, and work our way to the corner. Okay, let's stand this one up. This stuff's like a grip. It's cold. Throw it down that bottom corner. Okay. See how that fits pretty good. I think that'll work. Well, I'm going to use the laser to figure out my length because everything here is on an angle. So I just set the laser up, which would be on the inside of my 2x4. Now you can see it right there. And it puts the same mark up here. Then I'll have to just cut them to length. And I've got the ends cut on several with the right angle on it. I just have to cut the overall length, nail them in place. So, wish me luck. 3 1/4. So. And there it is. Once again, I like my laser. You do that every time. up on the next one. Man, this makes it easy. Yeah, I know I could do the math and figure out the angle and how much it moves every time, but why do that when you have toys?
Yeah, but it's living in the woods.
It would be a lot easier. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
It'll stay. All right, guys, I think we're going to call it a day right there. Got a few things we need to do besides work on this, get caught up. It's definitely a lot colder. We're going to have to start working on winterizing everything, so I need to get a start on that. But you can see we got this outside corner of the bedroom wall done. Got one board left to put up here, but I won't do that until I get the bird blocks put in. If I put it in now, it's going to make it a pain in the butt to try to slip bird blocks in behind there. And I haven't figured out how I'm going to do that yet. Got an idea, but I'm not sure yet. I think I'm going to use a 1x12 on the inside and the outside with 2-inch polyiso in between. And then I can just use the same tongue and groove 1x6s we're using on the walls to kind of veneer it. That'll give us a little bit of a thermal break from the outside, block the wind, and you know, all the fun stuff. So that's it. We're gonna wrap this one up right here. It's time to go collect a ton of eggs. I don't know what it is, but the chickens have really started cranking out the eggs. So maybe it's some of the younger ones are starting to jump in there and lay some eggs, but whatever it is, we're getting a lot. So that's it. That's as far as we've gotten today. Get out here in the next few days and hopefully get this part done on the other side and then start going up. Got to move scaffolding up here and all that fun stuff. Above me, right here, that light is probably blinding. All this above this, I'm standing in the upstairs bathroom. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put us some rafters up above. Throw some decking up there. This is going to get boxed in anyway with the bedroom walls. So this will all be upstairs storage up above me. So roughly 40, 50 square feet of extra storage. That was just going to be unused space before anyway. We'll put us a pull down door to get in it. Not like we're going in it all the time, so we don't need an outside door. So that's it. I'm going to go take care of some last minute things right quick and it's time for lunch. I know, there's a bunch. We have happy chickens. Oh yeah, they stay. Got a couple of them, they like to sleep up there. She said, man, get away. See if there's any under here. There's one. It's an Easter egg hunt. And then Mom's gonna have some in here.
I wonder if I can catch a baby.
No, not right now. You can in the dark. Everybody's getting snuggled in. Until I start messing with them. Got a stick. It used to be here. Used to have a pin. I need to put a pin where I can drill it. That'll keep it there. This one should come up here. That'll warm it up in there a little bit for them. All right, we've had a lot of people asking how many eggs a day we get, and it does vary. This is today's, but in all honesty, we picked them up yesterday morning. We didn't get them yesterday afternoon. So this is the ones from yesterday afternoon and all day today. So we get a lot of eggs, usually around 30 or 35 eggs, close to 3 dozen a day on average. So we have plenty to go around. Oh, I just heard somebody shoot. One less deer coming around probably.